Kia ora, and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. Health and wellness is one of the 9 elements of digital citizenship. Finding a balance between using technology responsibly can be tricky in our digital world. This means knowing when to unplug and spend time offline. It also means being mindful of the time spent online. Striving to find this balance helps us enjoy the benefits of technology when online. The Hāpara instructional suite can support you and your learners in finding that digital balance. We have 3 powerful features and Hāpara highlights that will help you get started. Guide browsing sessions are a great way to provide learners extra support as they learn to work online. Whether you want to restrict learners to a handful of websites for a specific lesson or keep learners from accessing a website that has become a distraction, with guide browsing, you can ensure each of your students has a browsing experience that will help them be the most successful. Focus sessions create a more restricted browsing experience for students. They could be beneficial for online assessments or when you are practicing a new skill with students and need them to stay in one part of the internet. These sessions can also be helpful for students who have trouble staying on task and just need that little extra support in getting their work done. You can add up to 10 URL links when setting up a focus session. All the sites you enter will open on the students' devices, and students can only access the specified sites or web pages. To set up the session, click the Guide Browsing button, then set up a focus session. If there are just a few websites that you would like to prevent students from accessing, sometimes students can listen to music during class, but for this specific class you would like to block those sites, you can use the filter option in Guide Browsing. You can add up to 10 links to block during one session. Once initiated, students can access any site except the specified sites. To set up the session, click the Guide Browsing button, then select Set up a filter session. The scheduling features in Hāpara highlights allow you to organize all of your student browsing sessions beforehand. As a result, you don't have to waste valuable class time getting students to where they need to be during an online session. Highlights also store your scheduled session information so you don't have to start from scratch every time. That leaves more time for instruction, meaningful learning experiences, formative feedback, and differentiated support for your students. We hope these quick digital citizenship tips provide some balance for you and your learners to save time when working in your digital classroom. Thanks for watching.